Hey guys, Comics Tube here. Welcome to the Injustice Year 0, issue number 6. Make sure to like, comment and share. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. This will help me. In the previous chapter of Injustice Year 0, Joker has got the amulet, which has the ability to control minds. Andre realized what Joker can do with this amulet. He pointed a gun to Joker, but at that moment, Joker takes control of Andre's mind and ejects him from the submarine. The water pressure crushes Andre's body and killed him. At that time, Green Lantern, aka Alan Scott, enters into that scene. Now back to issue 6. In a broad daylight of New York City, we see some cops are barricading a crime scene and Batman enters. One of the cops says, "I didn't even know he came out during the day. There were two victims, but the other one," Batman replies, "I know what happened to the other one." Another cop says, "Did you know him?" Batman says, "Yes, his name was Wesley Deeds." So in this scene, we see Wesley Deeds, aka Sandman, is dead and lying into the street. 4 hours earlier, in a secret mansion, Joker and Harley are planning something. Harley says, "What are you doing?" Joker replies, "I'm flying through New York City and I love it." So, the Joker has gained access to Green Lantern's mind and he has a plan to destroy the Justice League from the core. Lantern enters into the headquarters of Justice Society and gains access to the security panel. Then he stands in front of the group photo of the members of the Justice League and Justice Society. And Joker says, "This is going to hurt them so much." Then Lantern enters into the security system and Joker notes down all superheroes' names along with their living addresses. At that moment, Sandman appears in the back of Lantern and says, "What are you doing? I thought Hourman was scheduled for this morning." Lantern then takes Sandman outside of the house and said, "I think someone's infiltrated the Justice Society." Sandman says, "How?" But suddenly, Lantern generates a knife from his ring and says, "Like this," and stabs Sandman in the belly. Then he carries Sandman and flies away. Joker says he needs to dump this body, but at that moment, Lantern lost access to his powers and both Lantern and Sandman started to fall down in the middle of the street. Harley says, "What's wrong?" Joker replies, "I think Green Lantern's power has a limit," and he started to laugh. And both Green Lantern and Sandman died. Thus the chapter ends here. Please share your thoughts on this video, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. I will see you guys soon.